Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. If you're struggling with nagging back pain, you're not alone. Today, I'm diving into the world of massage guns, your ultimate solution for relief and relaxation. In this video, I'll be showcasing the top 5 massage guns specifically designed to ease back pain, helping you unlock the freedom of movement you deserve. From innovative features to powerful performance, these devices will transform your recovery routine. Plus, I'll share my personal tips on how to use them effectively. So, if you're ready to discover the best massage guns on the market, stick around and let's get started. Don't forget to check the links in the description for exclusive deals. Number 5. Magnish Massage Gun with Extension Handle is your go-to solution for deep tissue pain relief. Designed with a 120 degrees curved extension handle, this ergonomic massage gun allows you to effortlessly reach your back, neck, and lumbar areas, providing quick relief from post-training soreness. Its powerful brushless motor operates quietly at less than 45 dB, making it perfect for use at home, in the gym, or even at the office, without disturbing those around you. Equipped with 4 unique massage heads and 5 adjustable speed levels, the Magnish Massage Gun targets various muscle groups and tension points, ensuring effective relief from muscle soreness. With a robust 1,500 mAh battery, it offers an impressive 4 to 6 hours of use on a single charge and can be recharged in just 90 minutes via USB Type-C. Ideal for anyone from fitness enthusiasts to those needing everyday relief, this massage gun is beautifully packaged, making it a thoughtful gift for birthdays, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, and Father's Day. Experience the ultimate in pain relief with the Magnish Massage Gun, the perfect addition to your wellness routine. Number 4. ISUI Massage Gun is the ultimate solution for deep tissue pain relief and muscle recovery. With its upgraded extended handle and ergonomic 120 degrees curve, this massage gun effortlessly targets hard-to-reach areas, including your back, neck, shoulders, and legs. Its smart LCD screen displays mode, speed level, and battery life, while for interchangeable massage heads cater to your specific needs. Customize your experience with 3 modes and 6 adjustable speed levels, ranging from a soothing 1000 RPM to a powerful 3500 RPM, allowing you to find the perfect intensity for your muscle relief. Enjoy an impressive battery life with just a 90-minute charge, providing up to 15 days of relaxation with daily 15-minute sessions. Lightweight and portable, the ISUI Massage Gun is perfect for home, gym, or office use, making it an ideal gift for Mother's Day, Father's Day, or any special occasion. Say goodbye to muscle tension and hello to relaxation with this must-have tool for anyone seeking effective pain relief and rejuvenation. Perfect for those searching for the best massage guns for back pain, the ISUI Massage Gun is designed to enhance your well-being and improve your recovery. Number 3. FVZ Massage Gun, designed for deep tissue relaxation and recovery. Featuring an upgraded extension handle and ergonomic 120 degrees curved design, this massage gun effortlessly targets hard-to-reach areas like your back, neck, shoulders, waist, and legs. Its powerful brushless motor operates quietly at under 45 decibels, ensuring a peaceful massage experience without disturbing your surroundings. With a quick USB Type-C recharge in just 90 minutes, you can enjoy 15 minutes of soothing relief for up to 15 days on a single charge. The FVZ Massage Gun offers 4 interchangeable heads and 5 adjustable speed levels, allowing you to customize your massage intensity from 1000 to 2600 RPM for targeted pain relief. Weighing only 1.1 pounds, it's lightweight and portable, making it perfect for use at home, in the gym, or at the office. Whether you're a professional athlete, fitness enthusiast, or simply seeking relief from everyday tension, the FVZ Massage Gun is your ideal companion for effective back pain management. Don't miss out on this must-have tool for enhanced recovery and relaxation. Number 2. Apove Massage Gun. Say goodbye to chronic back pain with the Apove Massage Gun, your ultimate companion for muscle recovery and relaxation. Featuring 5 adjustable speed settings that deliver up to 2,500 percussions per minute, this handheld massager is equipped with an LCD touchscreen for intuitive control, making it easy to monitor your speed and battery life. The ergonomic design allows you to target hard-to-reach areas effortlessly, ensuring a thorough and effective massage experience. With an impressive 5 to 8 hours of continuous use on a single charge thanks to its lithium-ion battery, you'll never have to worry about running out of power. The Type-C charging port adds to its convenience, allowing for quick charging from any compatible adapter or power bank. Plus, with a super quiet operation of under 55 dB, you can enjoy your massage while engaging in other activities like watching TV or listening to music. Compact and lightweight, this massage gun is perfect for on-the-go use, fitting easily into your bag for travel. Discover the relief you deserve with the Apove Massage Gun, one of the best massage guns for back pain. Number 1. Renpho R4 Massage Gun, your ultimate solution for deep tissue relief. Designed with athletes in mind, this professional-grade muscle massager gun delivers powerful intensity and depth, ensuring you recover faster and perform better. With its ergonomic shape and 5 adjustable angles, you can easily target hard-to-reach areas like your upper and mid-back, making at-home self-massage comfortable and effective. Weighing only 2.2 pounds, the lightweight design is perfect for on-the-go use, and the rechargeable battery can last a week on a single charge, ensuring you're always ready for your workouts. Plus, the Renpho R4 comes with 6 versatile massage heads and 4 customizable speed settings, allowing you to tailor your experience to your specific muscle needs. The included carrying case makes it easy to take your massage gun anywhere, whether you're at home or hitting the gym. If you're looking for the best massage gun for back pain relief, the Renpho R4 is your go-to choice for effective, portable muscle therapy. Don't let muscle soreness hold you back. Grab your Renpho R4 today and elevate your recovery routine. In conclusion, investing in the right massage gun can make a significant difference in managing back pain and enhancing your overall well-being. Whether you prefer lightweight models for portability or powerful devices for deep tissue relief, there's a perfect option for everyone. We hope this guide helps you find the best massage gun to suit your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, share it with others who might benefit as well.